Most people panic when their cash out stops working on Earnin, but here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, it is not a permanent issue. It is usually a simple restriction, a verification delay, or a timing problem that can be fixed. In this video, you will learn exactly how to fix Earnin cash out not working in 2026, why it happens in the first place, and how to prevent it from happening again. Let's get straight into it. When you use Earnin, the cash out feature depends on your earnings being verified. That means Earnin must confirm your work hours, your employer, and your income pattern before allowing withdrawals. Now here's where it gets interesting. If any part of that verification is delayed or inconsistent, the cash out button may stop working. So when users like Alex suddenly see a not available message, it is usually because Earnin cannot confirm updated earnings yet. But here's the problem most people miss. There are multiple reasons this happens, and each one has a different fix. So let's break them down clearly. First, your earnings may not have updated yet. Earnin relies on payroll data. If your employer has not submitted updated hours or your bank transaction is delayed, cash out can temporarily pause. Second, your account may be hitting its limit. Earnin sets daily and pay cycle limits based on your income. If you already reached your available amount, the cash out option will not appear. Third, there may be a connection issue with your bank or employer verification. If your bank login expires or your payroll provider disconnects, Earnin cannot validate your earnings. Now here's a quick fix sequence you can try. Start by reopening the app and refreshing your bank connection. Then check if your employer details are still verified. If anything looks outdated, re-authenticate your account. In many cases, this alone restores access. If that does not work, wait for the next earnings update cycle. This is important because Earnin updates in batches, not instantly. So if John checks right after payday processing, he may see a temporary restriction, even though everything is fine. In a minute, here is what most users overlook. App updates and background sync issues can also block cash out. If your app is outdated or your phone has restricted background data, Earnin may fail to update your eligibility status. So make sure your app is updated, your internet connection is stable, and background activity is allowed. Now let's bring it all together. If Earnin cash out is not working, it is usually due to one of four things: earnings not updated, limit reached, verification issue, or sync delay. Each one has a simple fix once you identify it. Here is the bottom line. Most cash out issues are temporary and related to data syncing, not account bans or permanent restrictions. If this helped you fix your issue, like the video, leave a comment with what worked for you, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of money apps and cash advance fixes in 2026.